Hi guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to turn off Vanish Mode on Instagram. So tap on your updated Instagram app in order to open it. Navigate to your direct message. Tap on a particular chat of your choice. Okay, the next thing you have to do is to swap up from the bottom of the screen to review Vanish Mode. And swap up from the bottom of the screen in order to review Vanish Mode. The next step you can do in order to turn off your Vanish Mode is to tap on the profile up corner. So you can see my Vanish Mode is being turned on. If I want to turn it off, I can do that by, okay, it's been turned off now. So I've turned it off. You can see what just happened. The next step that I can do in order to turn it off is to tap on my profile at the top corner, then tap on privacy and safety. My Vanish Mode is turned off here, so you can turn it on, but now it should be off. So you can see that I've been able to turn my Vanish Mode on and also turn it off. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.